Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your ChatGPT conversion tracking in Shopify. So first thing we need to do is head over to Shopify, we'll head into the setting and add a custom pixel. You probably already have pixels in your existing store here. We'll just call this ChatGPT Ads. Okay, now we'll head to the blog post to grab the code snippet here, copy that one. Now up the top, you'll see we've just got a placeholder pixel there. So we'll jump over to ChatGPT or OpenAI Ads Manager. If you've already created your data source, you can grab your pixel name there, but we'll just create a new one. And this is the pixel ID we want. We'll copy that. Yours will obviously be different. Go back to Shopify and paste that in there. Okay, we'll just save that. Now, what we also need to do is set up these 4 events. You could just track the purchase, but it's generally a good idea to have a bit more funnel information. So we're going to track a page view, product added to cart, and then also the checkout started, as well as then the conversion. So over in ChatGPT Ads, we'll go to conversion events. You can see I've already created a couple here, so we'll just add the missing ones for, this would be checkout started, assign that to the data source. It does take about 5-10 seconds for each conversion event to create. Okay, and the last one is the most important, is order created. Now it's very important that the event names here and in the code that it generates match your snippet. So if you create different events, you'll need to add those into the snippet. It should be fairly obvious where to copy and paste those different sections. But the default ones are the ones that we've used in the code snippet, so they should work for you as well. So now that we've created that, we've created these events, we've popped in the correct pixel ID, we need to hit connect. Close that message. Also check your permissions to make sure that you're complying with the local legislation for your market. I'll just leave those defaults there. Now, normally what you would then want to do is actually test this pixel. So we can see back on the events here that it's active. But what you would do is click test. That'll open up your website, and then you can click through and you can actually see the events fire as you navigate through the page views, add to cart, and conversion events.